How to log into Disney Plus. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Disney Plus account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, simply search for Disney Plus. And after you search for Disney Plus, wait for it to give a response. And after you do get a response, simply head over to Disney Plus's official site. Now you can directly head over to disneyplus.com too if you want to. And after you're here, you will see the login option on the top right corner. If you do not have an account or if you do not have a package, you can simply select one from here. After you're here, simply tap on login on the top right corner. And after you tap on login, let the page load. And after the page loads, what you can do is simply log in. To log in, you will need to type in your password and your email. Now you can also log in using your Hulu account. If you already have that, you can choose that too. And yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for the video. For some reason, my Disney Plus is not working. An unexpected error has occurred, but that is basically how you do it. All you need to do is type in your email and then type in your password. And that is basically all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.